Hi everybody, I'm Ronaldo. I'm here with Little Lou. We're at ClownAntics.com talking about juggling. To start off, if you're a beginner with juggling, the idea is to have the ball and throw from one hand to the other hand. Nice and easy, nice and simple. You don't have to throw really high, you don't have to throw really fast. Just keep it nice and simple. Get used to how you throw from one hand to the other hand. So you can get used to the weight, how you throw, and once you get used to it, then you go for the other ball. And get a second ball, and now what's gonna happen is you're going to crisscross them by throwing one in the air, then throwing the other one right after. When it reaches the height of the arc that you're making when you throw, this is called a cascade, or the beginning of a cascade throw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's going to be a lot of that in the beginning, dropping. Don't worry about it. Just stick with it, and it gets better. Once you have it, then it's time to move on to 3. Now the idea, when you get started, always start with the hand that's holding 2. The one in your fingers will go first. After you throw, when it hits the top of the arc, when it starts to come down, then you throw the second one. Try it again, up and down, just like that. And then once you have that without a problem, then you can introduce the third ball. So it's 1, 2, 3, then try again, 1, 2, 3. Remember that the hand that's holding 2, whether it's the left hand or the right hand, start with that hand. Then you can go on to full cascade, where you're throwing from one hand to the other again and again. Now, when we try to teach juggling, is we have the person who's learning pick a number from 1 to 10, juggle that many times, and stop. Stop because you want to stop, not because it gets away from you. Because if you do that, you're building on success rather than trying to overcome failure. So, Little Lou, give me 5 throws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Stop because you want to stop. Give me 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you're in control. Brain, no brain. Brain, no brain. You're in control. After a while, you can add different patterns. After a cascade pattern, you can change it to a drop pattern, or you can do a cascade and possibly a reverse cascade. After you've got a reverse cascade, maybe columns. And then if you have a partner, you can have a little fun and you can practice together. Hup. And that's how it's done. I dropped it.
Don't drop.
Okay, I won't.
Thanks for watching. All the products will be listed below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos. See you later, guys.
Hey, bye-bye. Ready?
Yep.
Up, 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 up. Oh, hey, not bad. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good, especially with that bad throw.
And double time.
I like that part.
Wait. We'll do it fancy. Ready?
Fancier?
Wait, I can do it really
wasn't
fancy.
fancy.
It is fancy.
It is? Okay, let me see. Oh, she's right.
Thank you.